Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, in today's video guys we will show you where to find the fuse for the MAF sensor, also known as mass airflow sensor on BMW guys E46. This one will be guys the BMW 3 Series from year 1998 to 2006. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please hit that subscribe button, like the video and leave a comment below. Let us know if you have any recommendations or if the video was helpful. So let me show you where you can expect to find that fuse. So this fuse guys, if you have problem with the MAF sensor codes or anything like that, you replace the MAF sensor, you had a bad MAF sensor, always check that fuse guys, okay, because it could be bad if the car is not running, starting or something like that. This fuse can cause that as well. You will need to guys open the hood, doesn't matter which engine you have, okay, you will have the same location of that fuse. We have 4 screws that we need to get loose, 1, 2, 3, 4 right there, and we used Torx 25 star looking bit. All the tools and parts guys that we use will be listed in the description of the video below, so please do check it out. Now once you get these 4 screws loose, you lift up, pull out, okay, just like that. Now we have a couple computers here, transmission computer, engine computer, a few relays, and you have one fuse box that consists of 5 fuses guys, 5 fuses. So the only way to replace that one of the fuses is to remove the whole fuse box, and we'll show you guys how to do that. Okay, I need to get a flathead screwdriver. There is one tooth on this side that we need to spread towards the outside. Check this thing out now. Okay, we go like that and pull up, and the whole fuse box comes out. Now these fuses guys, they're replaceable. You can replace each one of the fuses, they're just regular standard fuses, and all the tools and parts including the replacement fuses will be listed in the description of the video below. But you don't even guys need to take it apart to test them, and we'll show you how to do that. If you need to open it, okay, you have 2 teeth here on the bottom that you need to spread out a little bit, one on top that you need to push in, and you slide that cover out and you can replace the fuses. Now the fuse that we're looking at for the MAF sensor guys, okay, will be, okay, let me just reposition this one here, okay, will be fuse number 3. It will be the middle fuse. It's a 20 amp fuse. So you can see this is on this side, you start 1, 2, 3, you start from the top counting them. I will have a voltmeter guys here so we can check the fuse without removing it. If you're into the having a really nice accurate voltmeter, check this thing out, listed in the description of the video below. This is a true RMS voltmeter, amazing. We have it set at continuity testing, so if the fuse is good, it will be like touching these 2 LEDs together and it will go to 0. Okay, like that. So let's check now fuse number 3 guys, fuse number 3, to see what reading we have. If the fuse is burnt, we're going to get, okay, the screen will stay like that, like we have no communications between the left and the right side of the fuse, and ours is definitely good. So that's how you guys can do it, and all we have to do after this one, just install it together guys. If you need to replace it, if you don't know how to open it, we'll still have the video on the channel so you can check it out. And after that, don't forget guys to install your cover, get it tight, it's very important so humidity and water doesn't get inside. Thank you for watching guys. Please. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.